Hello, myself Dr. Santosh. I am from Roots Kolkata. So we have a patient, Andrew. So Andrew, we performed the surgery on you 1 year before. Right now, that is the frontal part, like approximately 2,500 grafts we plan for the surgery whole year. Right now, you can see the result. So what treatment are you on right now?
I'm taking finasteride, minoxidil, and one multivitamin.
That multivitamin, finasteride, and minoxidil, whatever you are taking right now, what do you think what it is for? It is for what? It is for your transplanted hair or it is for your existing hair?
No, I believe it is for the entire hair, existing hair. So I prefer to tell everyone that we should like take this, because if you want hair to be there and not to have a hair fall, you should always take these three things. These are three vital things.
And you can see the hair things, like regarding the length of hair whenever we are making transplantation of donor hair, that is from back side to the front side. Usually we have to make them with a particular shape before making it long in length, so by cutting it regularly, and after that you can see we have a long hair. There are certain things after hair transplantation patient is facing, like dryness in hair. Hair dryness that is more important, right? So that is because of we are using the normal shampoo that is called Johnson baby shampoo. You feel dryness,
Yes,
right?
yes.
But that is for only a couple of months, like 6 or 7 months. After that, we just want our patient to shift on to use some kind of oil. That oil will be better, and that gives the nourishment and silkiness to the hair.
Yes.
So this is all regarding how to take care of hair. You can see the result after 1 year in this patient. So you can share anything your good experience along with our audience.
I want to share that the experience was good. Mostly the surgeons were very friendly. They will make you comfortable. And one more thing, like always listen to the doctor, what they prescribe and what they tell you, what to eat, what to take. You should stop smoking, drink, and all before the surgery. You should remember, because if you don't, then no point. No point doing that, because it will, whatever hair transplant, it will all go off.
Thank you.